Morning everyone, another Sunday vlog. I feel like absolute ass. I've got the man flu, it's probably my last day of living, so the only way to make me feel better is go to some car shows. So we're gonna go to the All 4 Day in Geelong, chuck a couple of carrots in the lunchbox, a couple of drinks, and we'll be set to go.
It's the money. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money, it's the money, it's the money, yeah. It's the money.
That was a few clips of the car show in Geelong, the All 4 Day. It was pretty big, lots of falcons and stuff, a couple of escorts. But yeah, not much like action. So on the way here, this Tesla was annoying me and like passing on roadworks and stuff. So I went in his window down to give my rudest finger, and then I had to spend like 10 minutes getting it back up, which is the first time it's ever done that. So I don't want to go back home on the Bacchus Marsh Geelong Road. It's like 40 the whole way. It's horrible. So gonna go on the Princess, go to the Sickside Lowrider show. Hopefully you get some footage there and see some good people and avoid that road. So we'll quickly teleport to there and have a look at some lowriders. Yeah, so this event, they like set one address and then say that they hand out sheets when you get there. I'm late, so I wasn't, and apparently they like sit it somewhere and then drive off every 2 hours for 15 minutes, park. So yeah, I've just got to find out where to go. So that's the, did you say Audie's lane? Audie's street. Yeah, no, I'll see some sick cars when I rock up. See you, mate.
Check. The grills in my mouth double as a breeze. The grills in my mouth double as a breeze. The grills in my mouth double as a breeze. The grills in my mouth double as a mouth double as a freeze ray. The grills in my mouth double as a freeze ray. The grills in my mouth double as a freeze ray. The grills in my mouth double as a freeze ray. The grills in my mouth double.
Alright guys, so, whoa, that's a big heat of mine. The meet was at Albert Park and then goes to Essendon Fields, so I'm just tailing on the back because I'm in a lame old BA Falcon. And I've got to say, I've never felt so lame in my life, so I'm just going to look on and enjoy what these guys brought, and hopefully you guys can enjoy the footage as well.